3DI. High-fidelity simulations. "3D Interactive" is creating the training solutions of tomorrow by recreating the most challenging situations in today's heavy industry. And in today's heavy industry, challenging situations aren't hard to come by. Using our state-of-the-art interactive technology and unprecedented realism, 3DI is able to simulate the experiences which create real-world incidents, real-world downtime, and impact real-world bottom line. By exposing the next generation of operators to authentic conditions, we create a workforce which is fully prepared for the worksite in a way that has never before been possible.
I think what makes 3DI unique is the level of attention to detail that we bring to everything and the sense of realism that we try to instill in everything we do.
When you're accustomed to seeing the real thing, the realism is quite striking. The things don't operate like they're drawings or cartoons. They vibrate the way they should, and they seem to accelerate and decelerate the way they should.
The recognition I get everywhere. I mean, this isn't just an Alberta piece of equipment that's getting recognized in Alberta and everything else. This is being recognized globally.
So if you wanted to run a whole one. My first impression when I walked into this room was, is this really for real, right? Like, you see PlayStation, Xboxes, and all those things in those games, and you think the graphics are fabulous, right? That's unreal. This is unreal. Like, this is the real thing. You cannot get any better than what we got here today. There we go. Now we're talking.
Our training simulations are kind of different in that our visual quality is stunning, but it also makes you feel like you're actually operating the real machine.
It's just far more effective, the simulation training, and you can introduce so many more scenarios that you would take a long time to experience in real life.
In building a simulator, it'll be no different than what you see here. The operators will actually think they're actually standing on a full-scale rig. We'll be able to take the simulator anywhere in the world or put them into places we need. We'll actually pre-train our drillers and our people and advance them a lot faster through our simulator.
It costs, I don't know how many thousands of dollars a day to run a rig like this. So if you can, build it for a smaller cost, there's no wear and tear on the machine, you're not breaking anything, there's no danger of dropping a pipe and killing someone. You can get all the accidents out of the way in simulation before you actually let them out in the field.
Everybody wants to just see their guy go home. We want to see your fellow guy go home at the end of the night with his family, and this is helping that to happen. It's the only way to do it now. Now that the technology is actually up there that you can simulate all of these things, anyone that doesn't is really, they're not giving their employees everything that they deserve to give them for their training.
Designed to engage, engineered for accuracy, saving lives, reducing costs.